We, as a ceramic table and ceramic furniture developer, we already provide creative solutions to more than 50 famous brands all around the world. We focus on provide high-quality service to our clients and devote to create innovative 5P factory.
在 BK 实验局，我们将会重新定义岩板家居，从设计应用到模具设计，再到产品交付，将客户的想法变为现实。
We invest in continuous eco-friendly consumption and we use 100% recycled aluminum. Technology creation led our production under eco-friendly environment.
我们企业内部的全产业链覆盖，与上下游的100多个优秀供应商达成了长期且稳定的合作，为订单的稳定交付提供保障。
Everything we do is to have a better cooperation experience, to be a reliable solution provider to our clients all around the world.
期待您与 BK 实验局的合作。
We are looking forward to be a partner relationship.